Welcome to my Java tutorial on handling runtime exceptions. As a beginner Java programmer, don't worry, in this video we'll be talking about how to handle these exceptions so that your program doesn't stop working when an issue arises. Before we start, let's discuss what a runtime exception is. A runtime exception is a type of error that occurs during the execution of your program. These errors are not caught by the compiler and can cause your program to terminate abruptly if not handled properly. Let's take an example of a runtime exception. Suppose we have an array of size 3, and we are trying to access the element at index 4. This will result in an array index out of bounds exception. In order to handle this exception, we have to use a try-catch block. The try block contains the code that might throw an exception, and the catch block will handle it if the exception occurs. The catch block contains the code that should be executed in case an exception is caught. Here's an example of how to handle the array index out of bounds exception. In the code above, we declared an array of size 3 and tried to access the element at index 4. As expected, this caused an array index out of bounds exception. However, instead of our program crashing, the catch block caught the exception and executed the code inside it. The output of the program will be array index out of bounds. This is just one example of how to handle a runtime exception. There are many more exceptions that can occur during program execution, and it's important to handle them properly to ensure that your program runs smoothly. In summary, handling runtime exceptions in Java is crucial in ensuring that your program runs smoothly. Remember to use a try-catch block to catch any runtime exceptions that might occur during your program's execution. If you're a beginner Java programmer, don't be discouraged if you encounter runtime exceptions. They are a natural part of the debugging process. Thanks for watching and happy programming. Thanks for watching and happy coding.